This lesson is on subtracting on a number line. Okay, so for this lesson, what we're going to be looking at is a number line and then how we can subtract. So let's start with a simple kind of problem that we can focus on. Let's do like 251 taking away 123 or 5. Okay, so if we focus on this problem, there's just like a few things we need to look at. Really what we're trying to figure out is the difference between this number and this number. So if we subtracted this much from this one, where would we end up at? So what would equal if we went back this far on the number line? So we can start at 251. And what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way back to 125. We can go back 125, or we can go we can go back 125. We can do it that way. Another way would be to just put 125 here and figure out what the difference was. Sometimes I like that way too. Just depends on what the numbers are. So we can try it this way. Usually what I do is we go backwards, or you can count up. So sometimes the kids like that way. So they already know that when you add 75, you get to 200. And you add 50 to get 250. And then you can add 1 to finish up. So all up here is the difference. So if you add that up, you see 75 plus 50 is 125, 126. So that other way, you can do that. You don't have to do it that way, but that's just one different way. We'll be counting backwards. So if we started there at 251 and went backwards, we can go back 125. So if we go back 100, so we take 100 away, then we're at 151. If we go back to 20, so minus 20, then we will be at 131. We still have 6 more to go, but I see that it'd be easier going by ones. So we'll go minus 1 to make it 130 to make it a nice easy one. And we still have 5 more to go. So subtracting 5. So you can do it that way as well. So either way, and if you look up here, there's 120 and there's the 6. 126 is being the answer. So you can do it that way. So there's a bunch of different ways to kind of use the number line, and I told the students whichever way works for you, do it that way, the one that makes sense for you. So either way would be just great. Okay, thanks for watching.